Hi guys, marhaba, assalamualaikum. For today's video, we're going to make a chicken pajita in a samun or bread recipe. So this is Helen Tanyamar. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell down to keep updated for more videos from me. So this is the recipe for today. Good for Ramadan, and you can use or cook this anytime you want. Wanna know how? Let's go! So for the ingredients, we need salmon or bread, and then we also need chicken breast, and then we also need 2 pieces of onions, 2 cloves of garlic, and soya sauce. And then for our spices, we also need black pepper, turmeric powder, curry powder, chicken spice, salt, and a little bit of mixed spice. And we also need bell pepper, and then we just cut them into small pieces, and the chicken will be also like this. And then cut also our bell pepper into small pieces. So first that, we're going to preheat a pan and then add a little of cooking oil, and then when it's hot, we're going to add our onion, garlic, and then when it's a little bit brown, we are going to add our chicken. So it's easy to make, and then you can cook it very fast. So now it's a little bit golden brown, we add our chicken. Then after that, we're going to add our spices. Then we just mix them. By the way, I am working here in Kuwait with my boss, Fahad Malala. Then we add the soya sauce. And shout out to all my friends here in Kuwait, and also my family in the Philippines. So that's it, we just mix them, and then after that, we're going to cover it for about 15 minutes. So after 15 minutes, we're going to check our chicken. So as you can see, it's almost done, so we add the bell pepper. Then mix it again, then we're going to cover it again. So this time, after 5 minutes, so it's already done. So the water also is being gone also. So this time we're going to cut our bread. So I cut it in the middle. Then we're going to use both sides. So I put it like this. Then we add the chicken. So after we add the chicken, we're going to add the mozzarella cheese. Then after that, we're going to put it in the oven for about 15 minutes, up and down only, for about 180-degree heat. So as you can see, I just put it for about 15 minutes and it's done. So that's all guys, and hope you like my new recipe, the chicken pajita recipe in the samun. So that's all, and thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.